Assalamualaikum, ich bin Usman und ich lerne die deutsche Sprache. I am Usman from Pakistan and I am learning German language. This is day 29 of our German language speaking challenge, and in this day I have an ayah from Surah Yasin, Surah number 36, ayat number 38. It is und die Sonne eilt dem ihr gesitzten Ziel zu. Das ist die Anordnung des Erhabenen, des Allwissenden. And sun hastened towards its appointed goal. This is the decree of the exalted, the omniscient. और सूरज अपने मुकर्रर रास्ते पर चल रहा है और ये अंदाज़े मुकर्रर किया हुआ है उसका जो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त और इल्म वाला है. And now I have four sentences. I am making four sentences to translate it into German or learn from German grammar or German words. So these sentences are: our country Pakistan is very beautiful. Unsere country ist sehr schön. India is our neighbor country. India is a country in unserem neighbor. China is also our neighbor country. China is auch unserem neighbor country. And fourth sentence is I forgot something. I am not sure about forgot and something ding some okay. I forgot something. So now we will correct these sentences and learn something. So first sentence I said in English was: our country Pakistan is very beautiful, and I translated into German as unsere country ist sehr schön. It has to be corrected as unser Land ist sehr schön. Schöne has to be changed into schön, and unsere country should be unser Land, our country. Second sentence I said was India is our neighbor country, and I translated it into German as India ist a country in unserem neighbor. It has to be changed into Indian ist ein Land in unserer Nachbarschaft. Ist a country should be changed into ist ein Land, is a country, and unserem has to be changed into unserer. Third sentence I said was China is also our neighbor country, and I translated it into German as China ist auch unserem neighbor country. It has to be corrected as China ist auch unser Nachbarland. Nachbarschaft and now Nachbarland. China ist auch unser Nachbarland. Nachbarland meaning neighboring country. And finally I said I forgot something, and it has to be translated into German language as ich habe etwas vergessen. Ich habe etwas vergessen. I forgot something. So this was second last day of our German language speaking challenge, and I am thinking of starting Korean language speaking challenge in the next step.